Chapters 7 and 9, How Physical Environments Influence Human Activities, and Why People, Products, and Ideas Move. Where we live determines how we live. Human activities are the things that people do every day. Human activities develop in response to physical environments. What people wear, what they eat, and what they do for a living, and how they build their houses are responses to where they live in the world. For example, if you lived in the desert, you would wear lightweight clothing most days because of the heat. If you lived high in the mountains, you would need jackets and boots to be comfortable in the cold weather. Therefore, your physical environment influences the clothes you wear. Some places in the world are more populated than others because their physical environments facilitate or make easier certain activities that people must do to survive. For example, waterways provide economic opportunities for people. People use the waterways to trade goods that they need to buy and sell. Therefore, regions with oceans or rivers are often more populated. Some physical environments limit human activities. One example is the Arctic region. The extremely cold weather and lack of natural resources limit the economic opportunities there. Therefore, the Arctic is less populated than other regions. People adapt to survive. The most basic human needs are food, clothing, and shelter. People must have these to survive. When the environment does not meet human needs, people adapt or modify the environment to meet those needs. People adapt to their environment with the shelters they build, the clothes they wear, and the food they eat. The first people in the Western Hemisphere used the resources they found in their environment to live. They made shelters using the trees, plants, ice, soil, or animals around them. They hunted, fished, or gathered nuts and berries, depending on what was available to them. They may have farmed if they lived in an area with fertile soil, and they may have been nomadic if the animals they hunted migrated. They made clothing from animal hides or plant fibers, depending on where they lived. Vocabulary. Adapt means to change your behavior so that it is easier to live in a particular place or situation. Nomadic means wandering, people who travel from place to place to find fresh pasture or livestock. People modify to improve. If people cannot easily adapt to their environment, they can modify the environment to meet their needs. When people modify their environment, they make changes to the land to make their lives better. From the earliest times, Native Americans changed the land to grow crops. The ancient Mayas and Aztecs practiced slash-and-burn agriculture. The Incas developed terracing. The Aztecs also built irrigation systems and floating gardens called chinampas. Early settlers in North and South America cut down trees to clear land for homes and farms. Settlers built roads so they could travel from place to place and trade goods. Later, people built railroads around and through mountains for the same reasons. Waterways were, and still are, an inexpensive and efficient way to transport goods to market. In places where waterways were unavailable, people constructed canals. The Erie Canal in New York is a good example. When it opened in 1825, the Erie Canal provided a water route between the Great Lakes and New York City and the Atlantic Ocean. The canal helped open the country west of the Appalachian Mountains for settlement and offered a cost-effective way to transport goods. Vocabulary. Modify means to make partial or minor changes to something, typically to improve it. Irrigation, supplying dry land with water by means of ditches, pipes, or streams. Consequences of modifying the environment. Modifications to the environment have intended and unintended consequences. Intended consequences are changes that are expected results. Intended consequences usually make life better for people. However, many of the issues facing the world today are the result of unintended consequences of human activities. Unintended consequences are unexpected results, and they are often negative. Examples of unintended consequences include new highways, disturbing natural habitats and contributing to air pollution, construction causing erosion along riverbanks, or cutting down trees to build new homes, which is also known as deforestation, leading to landslides. People on the move. Throughout the history of the Western Hemisphere, people have moved from place to place, and this pattern continues today. Sometimes people choose to move. They might move to get a better job and a better life. Sometimes people are forced to move for reasons they cannot control, like escaping war or famine. I'll push, you pull. Specific reasons for moving are often referred to as push and pull factors. Push factors are the reasons people leave a place. These reasons usually result from a difficulty, such as drought conditions that cause famine and hunger, or a government that takes away people's rights. Pull factors are the reasons people move to a particular place. These reasons attract people to a place. A warm climate, job opportunities, and religious freedom are examples. People usually move due to a combination of push and pull factors. The reasons people move can be grouped into 4 major categories: political, social, environmental, economic. Political factors: changes in government leadership and changes in citizens' rights. Example: when Castro became the communist dictator in Cuba in 1959, over 200,000 Cubans emigrated to the United States. Environmental factors: climate and natural disasters. Example: many residents left New Orleans after Hurricane Katrina in 2005 and never returned. Social factors: discrimination, unfair treatment of people based on age, race, or gender. Intolerance, unwillingness to accept people's views, beliefs, or behaviors, and desire for religious freedom. Economic factors: availability of resources, natural resources, housing, transportation, jobs and services, changes in trade patterns. When people move, so do the things they buy and sell, and employment opportunities. People move to find jobs.